Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to go for the tools folder, and after that we have to pick up the sound recorder. Accept all of the permissions. If you are using this application for the first time, you will get this notification like me. And right now, to start the record, we have to tap right here, and the smartphone starts record sounds. We can finish clicking the save button, click save one more time, and here we got our record. We can check the quality. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.